I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Thank you so much for joining me to make your own little mouse in Matchbox beds. I would love to see your finished mouse if you want to email it to me or send it to me in a message, as well as what you named your mouse. I love hearing all the cute little mice names that you all come up with. So today we learned our back stitch. That's what we used to sew the face. We learned our over stitch, and we did a tiny bit of running stitch when we did the ears. So those are two really versatile stitches. You can use them basically to make any little plush animal that you like. Maybe imagine what other animals you could make in the same sort of size. So using the same sort of peanut shape, how can you change the face or change the ears to make a different sort of animal? I gave you a few ideas as well on how you can take the project even further. So maybe you'd like to get an old shoebox and turn the shoebox into a little house for your mouse, because I feel like that's quite a good size to fit in a shoebox. You could add little pictures on the wall, maybe cut out some little squares of the shoebox to make a window, and you could hang little fabric curtains. Like, the possibilities are endless. So maybe you want to create a little world for your mouse, little accessories. So that's it for me for today. I hope you'll join me again for another sewing workshop. Take care.